In Sitelok version 6.1, we added a new function to display the contents of email templates on your site pages. It might not seem very useful at first, but in fact you can use it as a simple CMS, allowing you to update content just by editing it in the Sitelok email editor. Let's take a look at an example on our fictitious coffee shop site. On the home page, I added a price list which was created as an email template. I can now just edit the template to make changes, and the site gets updated immediately when I click Save. A quick page refresh, and there is the updated content. To make editing easier, you can have an optional edit link appear under the content. This will appear when you hover over the content, and you are logged in as an admin or sub-admin user. The snippet generator can create the code to add to your page, to display the content. On this site, I am using RapidWeaver, so the snippet just needs to be pasted into an HTML stack. You can use wildcard characters in the template filename to display any matching templates one after the other. You can set the sort order too. You can also create content that is user group specific or even user specific. For example, I can have user messages displayed on the members page, using a snippet that matches email templates with the user ID. I can then make a template for any user I want to display a message for. In this case, I want to leave a message for the user with user ID 2. To do this, I add _2 to the end of the file name. Only this user will see the message. Hopefully you can find some uses for this new feature on your site. Thanks for watching.